Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate Robinhood trading. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. First of all, you need to know that in order to do the Robinhood trading, you must have verified your account already. I recently created my account, so my account is not verified yet. But if you have a verified account, you can easily do the trading and you can even automate the trading process. For that, you can search for the stocks that you want to automate the trading. In the search bar, type in the name of the stocks that you want to look for. Let's say I'll search for Bitcoin right now. Once you're in the stocks page, you can see this buy button at the bottom. Tap on it. Now type in the amount of money that you want to spend for buying this stock and tap on review. And after that, in this choose frequency page, instead of one time, you can select every day, every week, or every 2 weeks, according to the time interval you want to automate the trading. So select your preferred time frequency. After that, tap on continue. And in this page, you can see this edit investment option. You can tap on it and make changes to your trading investments. You can adjust the order date, you can adjust the amount, you can change the frequency and the payment methods. And you can confirm this. And in this order summary page, you can see when your next investment is gonna be. Here it says your next order is on tomorrow, as per the time frequency that we set before. So you don't have to manually do the trading again, as we have automated the process by selecting the time frequency that will automate your trading. So that's it. That's how you can easily automate Robinhood trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.